Let's talk about the best love match for a water sign. In general, in astrology, a good rule is that signs within the same elements are going to be the most compatible. So by virtue of that, the best match for a water sign is going to be another water sign. So if you're Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, another Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is going to be who makes you feel the most seen. They're going to be the ones that are mostly able to give you the emotional safety and security that you're seeking and that you must have in your relationships in order to feel secure and safe enough to open up. You won't have to explain a lot to another water sign about why what they did was hurtful to you, because they are just as sensitive as you, so they understand on a deep level, that hurt, and they understand on a deep level how that hurt can affect a person. So with them, you're automatically going to feel at home. Now, another best match for a water sign is going to be an earth sign, because earth needs water to grow anything. Water cultivates earth. So earth is an ideal choice for water sign in the sense that earth signs who are very detached from their emotions, even more so than fire signs. If we were to do an emotion scales, like earth signs will be on the other side over there, right along with the air signs, So a water sign can teach an earth sign to be okay with what they're feeling, to acknowledge and honor their emotions, and to make decisions based on what makes them feel the most comfortable. Earth signs often neglect their emotions in the interest of productivity, and yeah, it gets things done, but does it lend to happiness? That's another question. So with the help of a water sign, an earth sign can be a little bit more balanced, where they're being productive, but they're also nurturing themselves emotionally. Now, on the flip side, an earth sign can teach a water sign to be more structured, to have a schedule that they stick to value their productivity and how their time is being spent, to take care of their mind and their body. That mind-body connection is very important for water signs. They lose touch of that with that sometimes. And I think an earth sign can get them more grounded in themselves as a human person, not just a vessel of emotions. Now, earlier I mentioned air signs not being as emotionally available, and that is why they're not an ideal, match for my water signs. Now, air signs are not an ideal choice for a water sign, but if they can make it work, an air sign can teach a water sign about levity. It's okay to laugh. Everything doesn't have to be serious all the time. It's okay to consider another position, even if you already have your feelings about a situation. Fire sign can teach a water sign to go for the things they want, like to be bold, to be brave. And an ideal choice, but they can still learn from each other.